Update time. I know Crunchyroll did us dirty in the beginning with those subs, but the new updated ones are so brilliant. It holds so much more layers and meaning. There's nuance and tone and spiritual language that wasn't there before. And now that it's been fixed, I'm rewatching and I'm diving even deeper into it. And the new video I'm working on, it's about to hit even deeper because these new subs are making it so I have no choice. So if you thought that first breakdown really uncovered some things, just wait, new video coming out soon.